Nhl26 franchise gameplay. I have the all-time legend going against the Colorado Avalanche. Hope you guys all enjoy this. I'm trying to do something different on the channel. I love franchising any sports game, so hopefully you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Let's get right into it. Oh, for fuck's sake. I'm not... Okay, hold on. Marc-Andre Fleury getting a save. Let's go. Yes, I know Marc-Andre Fleury and Bobby Orr are not in Nhl26. I had to make them personally myself in the best way I can. Also, this is on Superstar, if you're wondering. I think you went nowhere on that one, Bobby Orr. I think you went to nobody. If you like to see me do more NHL stuff, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that like. It really helps. We're on the road to 400 subs. I think if there's any team that could actually pose a good contest for the legends, the all-time legends here, it would be the Colorado Avalanche because their roster is pretty damn good. Ooh. Damn, losing Taze is going to hurt them. That's going to hurt them right there because he's a really good player. If I'm the legends, we take advantage of this. Come on. Here comes Paul Coffey. Gets cracked. Forsberg to pop in. Beliveau. Uh-oh. Coffee keeps getting lit up there. I think that's Josh Madison. I don't know. I probably said the name wrong. Sorry if I say names wrong. I'm not good with it. It's either Manson or Madison. I think it's Manson, though. Good passes. Forsberg. Where did that even go, my guy? Oh, they almost put it in their own net. That would have sucked. Hey, there's Messier. 2 assists, 2 points so far on the season for him. Or tried to light one up, but he broke his stick. Good save by Good save by Fleury. Gordie Howe. Oh, good defense by, I think that was Cale Makar. Here comes Cale Makar versus Orr. Oh, Gretzky almost got a good 1-tee shot. I think that's what that was. It was either a 1-tee or a slap shot. I think it was a 1-tee shot, though. They Bork to Gretzky. Gretzky again, a good pass. Beliveau, a goal, a couple points and assists. There's Bork. Tried to put one in, didn't work. Good passes. Here comes Yager. Good defense. Yager to Beliveau. Not sure what the hell Beliveau was trying to do on that one. Here comes Mario Lemieux trying to get fancy. Here comes Richard getting it to number 5. I think that was Lidstrom. Ooh. The goalie's definitely holding it down. You gotta give him props on that. Ooh. Here comes Joe Sakic throwing a terrible pass. I mean, not much he could have done on that one, I guess, but good save by Fleury. Six seconds. Kelly getting it at the last seconds. Wow. Don't know who this Kelly person is. Parker Kelly. Slipped one in on Fleury. No, they're showing up. They're showing up. If there's a team that has a chance to even show up against these legends, it's definitely them. Gotta give it up to Colorado. They're showing up. They're showing up against the best of the best. Let's see if the legends can answer back. Coffee looking for Gretzky. Gretzky's forcing a bad pass. Part of the reason why they got scored on is he's keep forcing bad passes. Good save by Fleury. Gordie Howe. Big hits, big hits. Fleury has a 9.4 save percentage. It was originally at 9.6, and then it went to 9.5. Now it's at 9.4. Bobby Orr speeding up. Messier. He just knocked him into the freaking net. Damn. He said, "Who are you trying to fuck with?" McKinnon, 4 goals. Okay. He's really scoring at the beginning of this year so far. Doesn't surprise me, though. Coffee to Orr. Orr tried to launch one. Good play by Yager. Coffee to Messier. What the fuck was that, Messier? He didn't even try to launch a shot or nothing. He just tossed it up to him. Our goalie is doing better, but let's see if these Legends can get a score. Coffee tried to get one, didn't work. Nelson with a big ass play. Okay. Brock Nelson. Okay, well now they're up 2-0. Gretzky with the answer back. Wayne Gretzky. He said, you know what? Let me get something in here to help this team right now. One of the greatest goal scorers, Mr. Wayne Gretzky, getting that slap in there. Did he even hit the net? I don't understand, because that looked like it just bounced off the glove, or am I tripping? Okay, I don't know how that's a goal. Am I tripping, or am I just blind? I don't understand. How's that a goal? Okay. Well, now it's 2-1, 2-1. Legends finally getting something going offensively. Let's see if they can get another. Ward being aggressive, as he should. Good save. Here comes Gretzky again. Gretzky getting fancy. This is not the time to get fancy. Gretzky tried to go for the backhand, didn't work. Mario Lemieux, Super Mario. Oh. Oh, A for effort, Lemieux. Uh-oh. Here comes Bobby Orr. Here comes Joe Sakic. What a shot by Yager. Just like that, it's a tie game. That's a magnificent play, and then he passes it, and then boom. Can't even see it because it's so fucking fast. 93 fucking miles per hour. Well, no fucking wonder. Yeah, we don't need to see it 3 times, game. Come on now. 2-2. 2-2. Just like that, the Legends have brought it back. Who's going to take this one? Uh-oh. That's not good. Good saves. Good saves. Big hits. Big hits. Oh my, hit the crossbar. Beliveau, what the fuck were you passing to, dude? Who's going to get the win here? Will the freaking Avalanche give the Legends their first loss of the season? Or will the Legends prevail and stay undefeated? We're about to find out. Bobby Orr, Gretzky. Gretzky passes to Lemieux. Icing? Excuse me. Gordie Howe getting it to Bobby Orr getting his first goal of the year. Bobby Orr. Let's go, Bobby Orr. Let's go ahead and watch the replay on that one. (101 mph). Damn. All coffee now leading the points. 3-2, just like the Legends have the lead. Let's see if they can keep it. Colorado Avalanche so far have given them the toughest game so far. Oh shit, Mario Lemieux all the way. Super Mario getting the goal. It's not looking good for the Avalanche. Ever since we got the last period, they haven't been able to do shit. Yeah, once he's gone, there's almost no way you're stopping him, and they had 3 guys on him. Okay, come on now. We don't need to see it 3 times. We saw it twice. That's good enough. I don't need to see it 3 times. Legends have showed why they're undefeated for a reason. SCA, really good play. Good hit by Coffee. Here comes Messier. Yeah, once he was off to the races, it was over for that goalie. It was over. It's Mario Lemieux. He's going to get his goals. He's going to. Auger, look at him making a play, trying to make a good pass. Didn't work. SCA. Now they're just putting the pressure on the Avalanche. There's not much Avalanche can do right at the moment. Yep, and it's working for them. Bobby Orr wanted to get another goal so freaking bad on that one. That's why he launched that, bro. He said he wanted to get another. Bobby Orr's got a goal, 2 assists, and 3 points on the year so far. Bobby Orr playing good defense, as he normally does. Yager with a great pass. Beliveau, and then Yager. Let's fucking go. Yager with the cleanup. Yep, it's over for the Avalanche. It is over. Now they're just getting absolutely fucking embarrassed. Kale McCarr is not getting them out of this mess. He is not getting them out of this mess. It's over. It is fucking over. Oh, wow. That's not hitting the goalie, or am I tripping on that? Well, they answered back, so again, the Avalanche have been the only team so far to put up a decent amount of goals on our boy Fleury. Five three, 5-3. Avalanche, I guess they're saying we're still in it. Order coffee throwing it up. Elbow, try to launch one. Yager, getting it to Orr, and getting the missing. There we go. Messier just got one in. That goalie cannot stop the onslaught. Yeah, they're getting goals on Fleury, but we're getting the Legends are getting more on them. I mean, shit. Well, again, like this is how it should be. They should be putting this much more onslaught on teams like this. Bobby Orr with a good pass. Coffee taking it up. Coffee. Good play by Slani, I think is how you said that. Again, if I butcher these names, I am sorry. I'm just still not that great with names. At this point, the Legends know they have this in the bag, so. Six to 3 victory. I hope you guys all enjoy this. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Legends coming through. Fleury, Ward, all the guys going over. Celebrating the victory. That was Fleury's toughest game yet, man. Like he was having a tough time. Still did great, but that was his toughest one yet. I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. See y'all later. Peace.